You can see this, right? I'm sharing properly. Okay. I uploaded my data as a working week6 .zip. You can find it on our data folder. But just in case, let me share the link with you guys once again. And here. And to Jonghyun, thank you so much. And if you can stay, but also you can leave. It's just up to you.
Yeah, I want to listen to your lecture as well.
Okay, yeah, here is the drive. So please go into the drive and then download the working week6, and let's all work together from the same place. After you download the data, please open the zip file or compressed file and then get, where is it? Jeju Road, step 1 to your QGIS, and then get the background data set, background map, which is OpenStreetMap together with QGIS data set. Then you want to make this vector to be about 50% transparent. It's kind of funny to say 50% transparent when we are doing data workshop. It must be 100% transparent, isn't it? It's just a dead joke. Please thumb up if you have done until here, and if you successfully managed to import the data set. Are you guys all having trouble, or? Okay, 2 people so far. Let's wait just 2 more. Wait, if you have if you saved the file from the previous session, you can just import it. You don't need to re-download everything. One more. Okay, thank you, Siripa. Thank you, Rabia. So I'm going to go on, and if you have trouble, please just use your own file. I mean, if you have trouble in downloading new files, you can use your own file. And I'm going to go on, and then we'll repeat. So if you fail to follow, you can always have a time to repeat again. So let it download. If you take time, just let it download the file, and then please follow the lecture. That could be better. And then what we want to do is, rather than just road, there are many other things that we need to remove. Okay, we are going to do it one by one, and then we will have just one together and then another one on your own. Okay, I'm going to remove a protected area from the data set. Okay, let's import the protected area. And there is a protected area here. Let's see the information. Click it, click the information, and then click it. Then you will see some information here. The information, the meaning of this information is the date when it is set, and then m number or m num is kind of a very code. It's kind of long code of this information of this about this site, what the site is. For example, this is not really standard, but this is very standard. This is very standard for South Korean government. So you don't need to know everything, but just wanted to share the information here is, I mean, there are about 20 digit of numbers, which explains you the location and basically the location. And then here is UFR 150. This six digit means what this protected area is. There are some differences here. This is UFR 140, and here is UFR 100. So if we want to actually remove or restrict or only UFR 100, then somehow we need to remove all the information from the left side, and we only need to get this six digit from the information, right? So we are going to create a new code, right? So what we are going to do is from here, right click, and then go to property. But before that, let me just double check if we have enough information here. If not, it's gonna be just a painful, but for nothing. Yeah. We have what is this? 150, and we have 150 as well. And we have a 150 as well. It's fine. We have three different 150s, but actually, if you zoom to the layer, there are all other informations. Actually, you can see other areas as well. Some of those might not be a 150, UFR 150. So what we are going to do is go to properties, and then go down to field. So far, good. Are you guys all following? And then go to toggle editing mode. Now we can edit. I don't know why, but I always just open toggle edit and then go to field calculator. Do I have everyone here? Then we'll set the code name. We'll set the field name to be code. And then we'll have output field to be text. Then what we want to see is gonna be field. If you go to right side, you can see a bunch of things here, right? If you open the field and values, you can see the field of the layer you are working on, right? What we want to do is, let's think about this equal from right of this unknown. But how many? Let's try 15. Then you can see the output is going to be 0, 1, UFR 150, blah, blah, blah. What we want to extract is UFR 150. So we have two more from the right side, so from 13. Now, the preview starts from UFR 150, right? Then we can use this string, but to find only 6 digits from the left side. Now we have UFR 150. Then if we click OK, we have new code. Just save it, then OK. If we go to the attribute table, we have new attribute called code. Right? I'm going to wait here for about 3 minutes. So try on your own, and then let's proceed after everyone is following. I will do it once again, very slowly. So please follow my direction. Let's do it. Right click and go to properties. Let's assume that we don't have this code. And go to field calculator here, click it. And we are going to create a new field called code. Each field type is going to be string or text. Right? We want to extract string, text or string of MNUM, only the 13 from the right. This function lets you basically extract string of this string from this attribute using the length of this number 13. And then we'll find only 6 from the left. Then we have 6-digit code. Okay, we can proceed and close the toggle so that you can save the result and click OK. We're good? Great, great, great. We have 2 people. We'll wait 2 more. Now, the last person, 1 more. It shouldn't take this much. Let's proceed. And if you have any trouble, you can review this video. Thank you, Alpha. You're the last one. Okay, thank you so much. You make everyone proceed. Okay, great. So we have this widget. What we want to do is actually we want to extract. It must be something about extract. Give me a second. Here is if you type extract by attribute, you can find the function here. The input layer is the layer we have, the protected area. And then the attribute is going to be the code that we created. and operator is here, we're gonna have UFR 150 only. Let's see how it works. If we run it, it says it's finished. Seems all good. And seems pretty much all overlapped almost exactly. The only way that we can figure out if this worked fine is go to attribute table and see there is no other but just UFR 150. It means some areas, because if you jump into this the original file, then you can see some as 140, like this one. Where is it? Yeah, it must be somewhere probably down here. I don't know exactly. Yes, it must be something related to this one, right? This, if we click this one, it's UFR 140, 140, right? Even though I checked extracted, you cannot see extracted here, right? We extracted only those UFR 150, which are our interest. I mean, there is no meaning here. If why did why I chose UFR 150 is because UFR 150 was within the area that we have interest in, because this is just an example. So this is how you extract certain a vector based on the attribute. Okay, now we are going to save this, export this as a, let me jump into wiki 6 here, as a protected area extracted. You don't need to change this layer name every single time, but it's just a my sort of convention and habit that having exactly the same name here. And then, okay, now we have a protected area. I'm a little worrying why I cannot see this. Something happened with this data set. So I'm going to remove it. This is supposed to be this, right? Something happened with this data set. I'm going to export once again to protected area, protected extracted. Then we'll save it. Yeah, definitely something is wrong with my computer. This computer. I think this is a local issue. I'm pretty sure this wouldn't happen to you, but yeah, I cannot see. But it's fine. Let's work on this file, and then we'll share when it's properly saved with you guys. So what we want to do is now we need to remove this extracted area from the previous step. Here is a Judge Road step 1, which removed road with a buffer from the base map, right? So we are going to apply another difference from Judge Road step 1, and then the overlay layer is going to be extracted. And we will save this as Jeju protected Step 2. I'm going to leave the layer name as output. We run it. Yes. See, there was a reason why we were not able to save the file, right? This always happens. I wouldn't say always. This happens quite often. What is this? I'm pretty sure Dr. Wu and also Mr. Lee or Suso explained this situation. It clearly says there is invalid geometry. Please fix the geometry or change the invalid feature filtering option for this input or globally in processing setting. You can use invalid features filtering, which means you can just ignore it. However, the better way always is fix it, right? Go to processing toolbox, type fix, then go to fix geometry. Yes, fix geometry. Then extracted repair work. Usually I just leave it as line work. Sometimes it can be structural, but if it doesn't work, you need to check the validity and then you need to come back, but let's do it line work. Says it's fixed. Close it. And then let's see if we can save it properly. Protected, extracted. Replace it. Okay. Can you see it? I don't think it solved. It still has the problem. Then, unfortunately, we need to go back to extracted, and then we will need to check the validity. Where's the validity? Is it in research tool? Should be here. Extracted attribute. You can go to vector, geometry tools, and then go to check validity. The method or they are all fine. Just run it. We have two issues here. Invalid count. It really doesn't give you enough information on what was the problem here yet. However, we can jump in to here. It says it's self-intersection. So now let's try to fix it again. This time we are going to fix it with the structure. Yeah, unfortunately, I don't think I have really updated GOS, which makes me a little annoying. I don't think I have a proper version for this one, but I'm pretty sure you guys already have the one. So you need to fix it with a structure. Then you should be able to see the problem without any problem. Can you guys do it and then let me know what happens? Because structure, I think this new piece solved with the structure, but I don't have a proper version at the moment with me. So I can show you a bit different output here. As you can see, we have the output which we removed protected area. So that what happened actually was when we extracted the information from the raw file, all the problem happened. So probably there will be a way to go around rather than extract directly. We can forget this file. We can fix this one first. Let's try it. I don't know if this would work or not. Let's try to fix this one. Now I don't know which one was the fixed one. Sorry about that. Remove it. That's why you always need to rename it. Fix the geometry. We're going to fix this protected area. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to use structure, but we are going to use just line work and then run it. And then seems the problem has solved. And now we are going to extract by attribute using the fixed geometry. We are going to use the code. We have a code because we already saved it, right? We are going to use only UFR 150. Now we have this extracted file. Let's to make sure. Yep, as you can see, it's red when this extracted file is green. We can apply difference. We can apply difference using the input layer as a Jeju Road step 1. Overlay layer is going to be the extracted, right? Yep. Then, yes, it worked. Now it worked. See, the result is the same. So there is a one takeaway that you need to have. So even if, I mean, when you work on GIS, there is no single bullet or single silver bullet that solves everything. That's some sort of unfortunate because you need to try many things to solve the problem as you just saw. However, in QGIS, there are always go around. So if you are creative, you can solve the problem without using the known method like this situation. I had to solve the problem. I had to fix it using the structure. However, the structure didn't work with me because I have an older GOES, so GOS. So I used go around rather than extract first. I fixed it first and then extracted, and then now we have no problem. So this is the result. The difference is the result. Now I'm going to save it to here. Jeju protected step 2. Just to replace it, and then difference step 2 new, just in case. Okay, this is the result.